Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the logo again for active income, and which is above this video, and you can just click on the logo active income to get to the active income page, which is part of this print on demand um, business, which is what I'm talking about for slogans and logos for caps and hoodies and t-shirts and jackets and mugs, and whatever else you want to do, And I recommend Printful because they give you a free account. They teach you how to do it for free. Everything's all for free, and when you make money, they make money. That's how that works. Okay, so and they have a system for doing that, and I will show you that later. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with it, shall we? Let's get it done, you know. Okay, here we are, and we went into the first one. Now I'm doing this right in front of you, right? See, the worst income is active income. That's true, because why is it the worst income? Because you've got to be there. That's one. I've already said that in the first in another video, right? And the second thing is you're chained to a oh, there's another one. See, uh, yeah, yeah. See, so here, see, this is it. You see, there's another one. Now this is another one. See, so active income leaves you chained to an hourly rate. That's another one. That's true. That's very true. I mean, you can't get away from that one. You must be present. You must be there. If you're not there, you don't get paid. It's as simple as that. You see? And that's how that works, that one. I mean, that's another one that's not good. The worst income is active income, yeah, because you've got to be there, and then it leaves you on an hourly rate. I mean, who needs that crap? I mean, who needs it? See, that's the thing. You've got to really think about this. Um, so what's the next one? Oh, the obvious one. The one that's obvious. I know, it just hit me, dawned me, right? See, this is the other one, right? This is obvious, right? See? So there you go. You see? With active income, you only have 24 hours. That's it. Yeah, that's right. And you can't work 24 hours. It's impossible. See? That because you're tied to the hourly rate, you can only work 24 hours. That's it. So you can only get 24 hours a day on that hourly rate, and that's it. That's all you can get. You know? See, with our active income, you only have 24 hours. That's it. And then after that, it's just the same thing over and over again. It's limited. Active income leaves you chained to an hourly rate. The worst income is active income because of these things, like I said. And that's what you put on your logo, your t-shirts, you teach people what they need to know because, I mean, let's face it, the people out there are asleep. They don't understand anything, because why? Because that's the way it's been slanted. That's just the way it is. Okay. And anyway, this is for your t-shirts, your shirts, your t-shirts, your caps, your hoodies, your jackets, and your mugs, and anything else you can think of. Right? That's what these are for. And how does that work? Well, I'll show you here. Hang on a minute. We'll just go there. We'll go there and we'll have a look. There you go. This is where it goes. You see your design here, where you can put it on the back of the hoodie. That's a hoodie she's wearing. Or on the left hand side there, that's where it goes. Your logo. And I says, people will probably stop you if you do start doing this. I mean, it's going to be interesting what'll happen. And then some people will disagree and all this kind of stuff. But the truth of the matter is, what I'm saying here is the truth. It's not anything I've made up, because it's come from Robert Kiyosaki's books. And if you read his books, you're going to learn some stuff. I mean, that's how it is. Or get them on audio, or whatever, listen to them in the car, whatever you can do. Here's the thing you get here. This is, because I recommend Printful, because they start you off for free. This is my free account. I didn't pay for this. See, some of the others will charge you monthly fee for this, right? But they did no. That's for free. You see, they want you to start. They want you to do something, right? And the fact of the matter is, this is kind of, the kind of income you want to be earning, right? Because you don't have to be present. See, it's not hourly rated. Okay, so see, and it's a t-shirt, the hats, and these are the best sellers. See, so cup mugs and a mat. See, so there, right there. So I mean, this is a course. You go by points. And you got here. What do you got over here? You see, you've got your what you have to do. They tell you that, and then it's a start a print on demand business. You see. How to start a print-on-demand business for beginners. See, so you've got fashion guide, you've got Printful Academy, and product templates. Now, the academy is full of videos and stuff like that. I don't want to get too detailed on, because the video will get it'll get too long. Though seems that we've got a bit of time, so maybe I'll have a click and have see. So here's the Printful Academy, which is something I didn't do before. So there you go. See, videos, like I said, right? Yeah, that's how that is. I mean, I'll leave that up actually, because I can refer to it again. But they'll teach you what you need to know, and you need to learn this. You see, because at the moment, if you're on active income, you're on the worst income possible, and I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. It's the worst place to be in. It really is. It's not good. You don't want to be there. That's for sure. So let's go back to to the logos. Yeah, that were created, because this is what the business is all about. See, so you put this on your shirts, your t-shirts, and everything else that you might think of, and it's at Printful, because I recommend them, because they start you for free, and then they want you to succeed. See, so they give you every opportunity to do just that. Okay, and you see, active income is the worst income. The worst income is active income, right? Active income leaves you chained to an hourly rate. Very true. With active income, you only have 24 hours. That's true too, you see. So you can't get paid any more than 24 hours. That's it. That's how it is. With that, see, so you have to think a bit differently. That's exactly right, because there's no future in this. And COVID-19 has proved that, hasn't it, eh? All those people that were on active income, got laid off, didn't they? Because there wasn't because the companies just couldn't keep going. You see, that's how it works. You see, but you don't have to hang with that. You just don't. All right. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, smash the notification bell. But get involved at Printful, because this is so simple. It's like you saw me do this in front of you. It's not, but it comes out of my head because of the knowledge I have. That's all it is, right? But it just came straight out of my head, right? So get involved, have a go at it. I mean, you can do it any niche you like. Start off with niches, any niche you want. The three major niches, which is what is it? Health, wealth, and relationships. Start off there. Write those three down, and then under those three, write what you can write about. That's all you have to do. It's not really hard. It's simple. It's so damn simple, this one. you know, and this has got you. Has the potential, and don't cry over the losers. Chuck them out. Get some new ones. Try those. You just got to test all the time. That's what you've got to do to see which ones the people will buy. And when they do, you've got some winners. And when you get those winners, they'll be paying you. And soon enough, you'll be telling your boss, "Oh, boss, I don't need you anymore. See you later. Bye." You know, and that's how that works. I mean, but you've got to persist with this. You see, it's a different kind of thinking, a different kind of income set. See, but you can become independent, financially independent as a result of this business. You can. It's a fact because it's not chained to active income. See, all right, okay. Well, thank you for yeah. If you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. And I will be making another video, another one. So I'll see you on the next video. And bye for now. Okay, see you again. Bye for now.